Hello everyone, my name is Faiza Maliha. This opportunity I will demonstrate how to make milky pudding with 3 ingredients only. Okay, if you're curious, enjoy watching! The ingredients are a glass of milk, 4 pieces of Oreos, and plain gelatin. First, put the milk in the pan.
I remember all the things that we shared and the promise we made, just you and I remember all the laughter we shared, all the wishes we made.
Take the Oreo and put the cream in the pan.
Do you remember when we were dancing in the rain in that December? And I remember when my father thought you were a burglar.
Add 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder.
All the things that we shared and the promise we made, just you
And stir for a moment.
I remember all the laughter
Cook
we shared,
over low heat.
all the wishes we made upon the roof that dawn.
And stir until there are no lumps. When it boils, stir briefly.
Yes, I remember all the things that we shared and the promise
Turn
we
off the
made, just
stove
you
and wait for it to cool.
I remember
While waiting for the dough to cool down, arrange the Oreo pieces in the container.
made upon the roof that dawn. I remember
If it's cooled, pour the dough into the container.
the way you tied your shoes, 'cause I remember the cake you
And
left
trim
us,
the
'cause I
Oreos
remember
pieces.
the way you drank your coffee, I remember the way you glanced at me, yes, I remember.
Put in the freezer and wait an hour.
I remember when we were dancing in the rain and
Yay! Already finished!
and the way you smiled at me, yes, I remember.
It's so yummy! That's the way. Thank you for watching. I hope you pray for me because actually this is a video for my exam. See you later. Bye!